Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to builder.io. So if you've built your site on builder.io and want to connect your custom GoDaddy domain, this quick guide will walk you through it. So first, log into your builder.io dashboard and open your space settings. Scroll down to the custom domain section and click add domain and type the domain you purchased from GoDaddy. For example, yoursite.com. Now, after adding the domain, Builder will generate a CNAME record. This record usually points to something like dns.builder.live or custom.builder.io. Keep this page open. You will need these details in GoDaddy. Now, open a new tab and sign into your GoDaddy account. Go to My Products, navigate to Domains, and click DNS next to the domain you want to connect. This is where you'll edit your DNS settings. Under the DNS record section, click Add Record and choose CNAME from the drop-down. In the name field, type www and in value, paste builder's record, for example dns.builder.live. Then save your changes and verify that no duplicate CNAME records exist. Go back to Builder and click Verify Connection. It may take a few minutes for DNS changes to update. Once verified, Builder will show your domains as connected and your live site will now be accessible via your GoDaddy domain. And if you also want a non-www version to work, add a forwarding rule in GoDaddy. Set it to redirect from this to this and ensuring both versions point to your Builder site. And that's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now successfully connected to builder.io. If you don't see it right away, give it a few hours for DNS propagation. Once done, your Builder site is officially live on your own domain. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.